Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome again to my new experience. First of all, I wish you all are living a better life with this atmospheric water. As you can see, I'm enjoying with our beautiful plants and amazing cold wind. These plants are really looking very happy because of this cloudy climate. I think that there have the better understanding among them. That's really very true way because we should enjoy our happiness with everyone. Okay, let's come. I will show you my creativity. In these cloudy days, I want to do writing some such stories, painting, coloring, etc. Like I see, we can